Hey French lovers! Now in today's video I want to show you a back to school kit because I know a lot of my female audience is going back to school. So these are the must-haves to put in your backpack, okay? And I want to mention this because this is very important. I know a lot of girls are in high school or junior high or even in elementary, whoever is watching. I just want you to know that in the future, it's better to carry a backpack because both shoulders balance you out. Now, when I was in high school, I wanted to be cute. I wanted to have the cutest bags. And, I was only using one of my shoulders. Now, today, now that I'm older, I'm paying for that. So just keep that in mind. You can get cute backpacks, believe it or not. And you can get cute designer backpacks. So let's go on and get into the video. Now, first thing you want to do is carry Dove. Let me take this off. You want to carry Dove. This is the Fresh 24 Invisible Solid Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. This is a must. I don't care if it's hot, cold, or you're running late. You need to carry this because sometimes you forget. You know what I'm saying? And this is just a kit like for the hygiene and stuff like that. I'll get into all the other stuff, all the cute stuff later on in the next videos. Next, baby wipes. There are some feminine wipes you can also get. I'm just using this because this is on hand. So after you use the bathroom, ladies wipe front to back. This is just good. This is multi-purposes. After you eat, if you're not next to a bathroom or whatever, you can't wash your hands, take the gump off your hands, all of that. This one right here, this is a Victoria's Secret. I believe this is like a traveling bag or something like that, but you can get this at victoriassecret.com. Sometimes it's good to go into the store because you want to get it the same day, but sometimes it's good to get it on Victoria's Secret because they have like a lot of things on sale, and it usually folds like this. See that? Victoria's Secret. Pretty cute. You want to get a mirror. This is a Morphe mirror. I believe it was like $12. Yeah. Pads. I don't know what you girls are into, but pads. I don't like tampons. I don't like anything you gotta stick up. The only thing that I personally like having inside of me is either my man or the gynecologist. That is it. No foreign objects should go up there. Anyway, these are always these are the I usually get the long. What I do is when I get pads, I usually get the ones that you sleep. I don't get the thin ones or anything. I usually go for the big ones because it covers more. I notice sometimes, like, okay, here, these are a pair of clean panties, right? These are also from Victoria's Secrets. When you put this, right, it has a sticky. I like the ones that have the wings so you can put it and you're more comfortable. Another thing, ladies, carry an extra pair of panties. You do not know when your period is gonna come. Or you can be on top of things and you're very organized and you do know when your period is gonna come because your period comes every month. Could be at the same time or at different times. It just depends. This is Ivopm. This makes you sleepy. This is usually for the night. I'm just using this as an example. Carry Tylenol or Motrin or carry nothing at all. Or you can get a heating pad and stuff like that. Just, I don't know about you, but like when I'm on my period, I get very moody and stuff like that. Like I don't really eat. I feel nauseous, whatever the case may be. This right here is hand cleansing wipes. You want to carry this. You want to carry perfume. And the reason why you want to carry perfume is some days, you might be funkier than others. You never know, ladies. Like, you gotta really take care of yourself. But this is the new by Rihanna. I was gonna show you the Victoria's Secret. Let me get it out. Hold on. I was gonna show you this because I know like every girl has this. This is the Victoria Love Spell Night perfume. So, but I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to be basic today. I wanted to show you the new by Rihanna. Now, fun fact, y'all. They say that Rihanna smells really good. And I believe if you look on YouTube or wherever, every celebrity, people always saying Rihanna smells good. I didn't know Rihanna smells that good. I just like her products because they smell genuinely good. She markets things in a way where she's making money, but she's not greedy for money. If you guys understand. There's some companies out there that just push product and their product is not good. But Rihanna, she's doing her thing. Shout outs to you, mama. Let's move away from the clutter. This right here is the Japanese Cherry Blossom. You can get this from Body Works, and it has 24-hour moisturizer, Ultra Shea body cream, free hands and stuff like that. You can also carry Vaseline, whatever you into. This is the Rich Conditioning Petroleum Jelly Cocoa Butter. This is dermatologist tested. And lastly, like this right here, this is just, how do you say this? Oh my God, it's right in my face. When you cut yourself, you need a Band-Aid, right? So carry this. This you can get from Family Dollar. I think it's $1 and stuff like that. This is, depending on where you go to, you can get this from $1.99 or up. This, I believe, was, how much is it? $13. And whenever they have sales, go and get these. I believe they're like 2 for $9 or whatever. It depends on where you go and where you shop. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. These are for my girls that are going back to school, or you're returning to school. You couldn't be an adult and returning to school too. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And please comment down below what video you want to see next. I'm trying my best to be more consistent. But, life, being married, going to work, a lot of things get in the way. But I genuinely love making YouTube videos and trying to help my female audience. And hopefully some of my male audience watches this and they can be like, oh, hey, did you check out French Lover's new video today? She's talking about some really amazing things. Some of these guys out here really do be looking out for their girls. But anyway, until next time, bye, French Lovers.